What's up guys, you're watching another video. We are on the iPhone today because I didn't bring my camera. And I want to try out the iPhone again. I might go back to the iPhone, guys. If you guys remember, my camera and lens broke. And I don't feel like spending another almost $1,000 for another lens when I could literally go buy another $1,000 iPhone and just have that one only for vlogs and then have my other phone for like calls and stuff like that. I might do that, to be honest. The homie Shapeshin actually told me that. If you guys have seen his vlogs, all iPhones, bro. Only iPhone video, and he's getting stupid views. So honestly, the camera you use does not matter, guys. I always try to tell everyone that when they start vlogging. Anyways, today is a new day. Today we're actually going to Monster Jam, and I thought I'd vlog it. I was supposed to go to a Carmi in the morning with Kevin, but we didn't end up doing that. But yeah, we're going to a Monster Jam, guys, like the monster trucks and stuff like that. I'm actually taking her. She's never been before, and she doesn't even like boy stuff like this. Like, she thinks it's so stupid, but
imagine me at Monster Jam.
Yeah,
just imagine me there.
She's very girly, guys. All about makeup. And she doesn't like any of this stuff, but she does it for me. She goes to Formula Drift. She goes to monster truck shows now. And I just started taking her all these random spots that she probably never even thought existed or thought she'd be doing. And you end up liking it at the end of the day. So
yeah, my brother knows about it.
She's gonna like it. It's cool. 16 monster trucks going in the air, bro. It's insane. I'm gonna go there right now in a little bit, but I grab food. I'm taking her here to Anaheim Packing District. Let me know if you guys have been here before. She doesn't even know what it is, but I know when she goes in there, she's gonna be like, oh my god, I love it, Nick. It's so cute. Oh, like, love first. So yeah, we're about to go in here, grab some food, and then go to the Monster Jam. And I'll try to vlog as much as I could. I don't know. Like I said, guys, I've been wanting to do more lifestyle stuff and just vlog my life, vlog my days. Oh my god.
I know. Did you not see him?
I got very close to that guy.
Oh my.
I almost ran someone over, guys. Dang, look at this shit. Icebox, Ben Baller. I was iced out. I really wouldn't even vlog today, to be honest. I would probably just enjoy the day, but whatever, we'll vlog it. We'll see what we come up with. If you guys do like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the video. Daily lifestyle vlogs. How do I do this? I think I'm learning how to vlog all over again. Wow. That one, yeah. Bunch of different foods. But I know you're gonna like the vibe. That's why I knew you would like this place. Look how nice it looks.
Oh, wow.
I told you you're gonna like it. Looks sick, huh? So yeah, guys, they have hella different foods here. What?
Okay.
So yeah, I don't know what the heck I'm gonna eat, but look, they got ice cream, they got all kinds of different foods. All right, we finally got the food. I got a burger and some fries, because I'm basic. Ew, you can have that. She got fish, which is also ill, because I don't like fish. But she's a pescatarian.
These are bomb.
No.
If you guys like tacos, Baja tacos are the best.
They look
bomb.
good, but I know that I would not like it. Also, the valet guy right here, somewhere over there. The valet guy recognized me, guys. He was like, "Finding Nick." He wanted to park my car, but I didn't want him to drive it. I'm sorry, bro. It's not that I don't trust you. It's my baby. So I parked up the street. Hopefully my car's okay. Anyways, let's eat the burger, and then let's go see some monster trucks. That was insane. You can't tell me that wasn't cool. Did you not even see it?
No, I saw it, but like, you guys, we've been waiting for this. Like, every store we're going in, he's like, we can't miss it, we can't miss it. And that was literally half a millisecond.
Yeah, I told you it was gonna be quick. So I guess they had the big Air Force jet fly over because of Veterans Day.
Wait, okay, so you
That shit was huge. By the way, we're at Disneyland again, not now. And just to kill some time, we got like 30 more minutes till the Monster Jam.
But you're saying that was bigger than a plane that we take to Hawaii?
Yeah, that shit is huge.
But it's like,
they put like Hummers in it and shit.
but it's like a fighter jet.
No. Those just carry stuff. They carry like Hummers and tanks and stuff in inside. All right, guys, we made it. Angel Stadium. I can't really. She doesn't know what the Angels are, guys. How do you not know what the Angels are? She didn't grow up here. She grew up in Arizona, so that's probably why. But it's gonna be sick though. I can't wait, guys. Let's see some monster trucks. I'm sure some of you guys want to see it. I know this is a different vlog. Maybe, if we get done here in time, even though today already feels like a long ass day, we might make it back to LA and go to a car meet tonight. There's one at midnight. So we might do that tonight, maybe. Get some car stuff in this vlog. But hopefully you guys are enjoying this little vlog.
It got dark super fast.
It's the time change, guys. I don't like this time change. I'm looking even tired as hell. At like 7 p.m. I'm ready for bed. Guys, look at a little race car outfit. Let me see. The other side?
What? Oh, it says 97.
My birthday?
He was born. I got it embroidered just for him.
Oh, this is insane, guys. Look at this. Put me in the monster truck, bro. I'm trying to drive one. I would have so much fun.
You guys, this is so scary. I'm not gonna lie.
Why are you scared?
It's so high, and it's so steep. And like my insurance costs.
To jump? What the? Starting, guys. Bro, I want to drive one of these so bad. Imagine how fun it'll be. Oh, that's the main guy.
Oh, I can tell.
That would be me. Peter, the Cadillac. America.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. Oh, this is insane. What the fuck? Loud? Bro, I did not know there was this many, guys. I've been to Monster Jam before, but this is a lot of trucks. We're gonna go green. This is crazy. They go wild on this. Alright guys, now they're about to do some tricks. Is that cool? Why? I don't know, he's trying to do something. I would just go full speed and hit the biggest ramp I get.
What the hell?
I would just go as fast as I can.
Flying into the universe.
That's pretty crazy. I think he has one hand out.
Oh my god.
How do you even balance a big ass
Imagine
truck?
him in there just looking straight down.
They said it's 12,000 pounds. Oh my. This dude is crazy. What is he doing? That was pretty sick. What the? Guys, how crazy is this? I just looked it up on Google. It's 45,000 people could fit in this freaking baseball stadium. And you know what's crazy? I have 200,000 subscribers. Imagine how many baseball stadiums we could fill up. Like, it's crazy to think about, guys, because I post videos. I told you guys, I'm like a normal person, bro. I'm just like you guys. And I just post random YouTube videos. Not knowing that the people who support me, we can literally fill up like 4 of these baseball stadiums. How crazy is that? 45,000? Like, we get that like on a YouTube video alone. So imagine all of these people are watching my one YouTube video. It's crazy to think about, because I would never stand in the middle and perform in front of all you guys like this. But I throw a video up and all you guys watch. We can literally fill up stadiums, guys, with all the subscribers I have. Isn't that crazy? It's crazy to think about. It just really puts into perspective like how many people are watching my videos. 45,000 people in here, and we literally get that on like daily vlogs. Like, that is insane, guys. How do you like it? Like, she didn't want to come, and now she likes it. Was that sick? It's done, bro. Wow. We went way too high. That was sick. We're on the way home now. What you think? It was cool?
Yes. What I was saying is, since I'm so girly and like, just like it's in my head that like I would never do stuff like this. Like, nah, I'd never go to Monster Jam. Like, what? Like,
or Formula Drift. I took it to Formula Drift too.
I didn't even know any of this stuff was real. I only knew about Monster Jam because my brother. Actually, going to this like Formula Drift, it was so cool and entertaining. Like, I wasn't bored at all, and that's so surprising. I'm very honest.
And she gets all into it. Like, even with the drifting, you're like, go, go, go. And then right here at the monster truck, she was literally clapping and everything. Like,
I wanted them to go higher, crazier, like do some like backflip. Like, I don't know. I just want to see it. Super cool though. Like, it's just very.
It's just funny to see her go to these things, guys. Like I said, she's super girly. She doesn't do this stuff. She didn't even know the car scene was a thing. She didn't know anything about cars. Like, she nothing. Really, all she knows is about girls, Barbies, pink, makeup. That's it.
It's crazy. Like, I posted on my story, and like all the girls are replying, like, "Girl, what are you doing?"
But it was sick, right?
Super fun.
That was super fun. But we're on the way home now. The Monster Jam was cool. Hopefully you guys like that little vlog. I don't even know if I have enough content, but we'll see what else we get into. I don't know. There is still a car meet tonight, but I don't know if I'm that down. All right, we made it to the meet, guys. We got that F80 looking all pretty. We came straight from Monster Jam straight to here. But look at all these cars. PQ? I haven't seen the PQ guys in so long. Got a Supra over there. Gustavo Spec. I'm gonna start calling it that, Gustavo Spec. I saw some GTRs right here. Sheesh. Guys, right now on the way over here, like always though, I'm always thinking about my GTR, and I look back at like the picture when I first broke down. 9 weeks ago, guys. 9 weeks I haven't had this car. It sucks. Look at the back. It literally looks like my car, the black one. I'm pretty sure I seen this thing for sale on Facebook. Actually, David sent it to me. I haven't told you guys, but David's getting a new car, guys. The F80's gone. I'll probably have him talk about it in a video soon, but the F80's gone. His yellow F80, which sucks. We never even got to cruise in him, but he's looking for a new car, and he actually sent me this on Facebook, and he's like, should I buy it? What do you guys think? From an F80 to this? This might be it, David, if you're watching the vlog. It's clean. Got some Beamers over here, G80, F80. M340, is that M340? It's crazy, guys. I'm telling you, like, the majority of car meets now, all you see is BMWs. Like, that's literally the most popular car at car meets. Look at this whole row of BMWs. David also wants one of these. We gotta find David a new car, guys. Comment down below, what car should David get next? F80's gone. He was even thinking M340, Hellcat. He liked that Porsche. David's really indecisive. He even said like a Corvette maybe. But I think M340 is a good move. I don't know. They got the G80 interior. It looks like a G80. She looks hard with the hood. M340 is hard. But yeah, hashtag find David a new car. My boy got the gap cam. Sheesh, fast boys. Got some E92s over here. E92 boys. That's an E90. Sick. Do miss mine. Another BMW. I'm telling you guys, just straight BMWs at every meet now. And everyone with the yellow DRLs, huh? Is that a Supra? Is like the wrap? Comment down below. Oh my god. What do you guys think that is, Revy? Dude, I literally thought this was the homie Marlon's old car. You guys remember Marlon from DME Tuning? He sold his G80 and I don't know where it's at, but this low-key looks like it. Same color. More Beamer. That's just sick. It literally looks like Marlon's old car. I don't think it is. So annoying. It doesn't even sound good, bro. I'm sorry. I just don't get why people revving. You're just gonna get the meat shut down. Cops are gonna come and cops are gonna mess with us. I don't get it. Don't you guys want to enjoy the car meet for a little bit? Why you gotta rev it and burn it out? Then cops show up, shut it down. That's why cops are starting to get more strict. You can't even have a car meet nowadays. Look at this though. Talking about David's car. Same spec as David, but with BBS's. She's hella clean. That's the same lip I have, but my lip's so beat up already. I think I gotta get a new one. Beamers. This shit nice. Sheesh, the Meisters with the clear taillights. That is fire, bro. It's not even an M and it looks good. That shit looks better than some M4s I've seen. That is fire. M2? Oh, 2 Series. Pretty cool. Vet? Guys, there was a Vet outside of Monster Jam right now when I left. And it was cammed and everything. It was literally perfect. And it was red. I believe it was a Z06. And I literally told him, I was like, yo, you want to sell it? And he said, hell no. It sounded so good. I didn't record it, but yeah. It was just someone in the parking lot in Monster Jam. It was literally cammed and everything. Everything that I want. Damn, that shit nice. All over Jimmy's. The TEs. You guys think it's fast? Oh, we got the tire and the gap cam on. Look at it. Oh shoot, I didn't even notice. There's another C6 parked next to me. Damn, bro. I think we might add it soon. I'm not even joking. I need to find one though, guys. I found that stock one. It's black like this too. Completely stock though in Vegas. And I want it, but the homie Kicks, I was literally just talking to him about it. And he was telling me get one that's cammed already and already done, because I guess they have like a known for them to like drop a head or something, or drop something and it could blow your whole motor. So he's like, find one that's cammed and has all that maintenance done to it, or get a stock one and do it all myself. But Kicks told me it's like 10,000 to cam it and do all that stuff. RX-7, damn, all the JDM cars. Look at this. I want to go to Japan still, guys. What the drift build? Right hand drive too. E30. I see another GTR, guys. I gotta go look at it before he dips. Let me just smell the GTR, please, sir. I missed mine. Oh, that thing's hard. I've seen this one before. It's actually a girl driving it. And this shit has upgraded turbos and stuff. What's up, bro? How's it going? Chilling, bro. Chilling? ZR1 wins. Oh, it's a ZR1. Big baller. Look at that. Sheesh. I want one of these, but it's too expensive. I need one, bro. The gang, bro. I need one. That's us from the video. Oh, really? I noticed all the cars. That's tight. I get one soon. These are the homies that drive these ones. I saw them at the meet, like the last meet I went to. They all cruised in together, all the C6s. I gotta join the little squad, huh? Yup, look at it. David, you should get one of these, bro. I like them, actually. They literally look like G80s, and they're like half the price. I mean, you guys have seen Kixes. They have a lot of potential, bro. Like, you can make them look sick. Even like this, all black. It's nice. These are hard. I'm not a big Honda fan, but these two are fire. The wheel setups. T-boys. That shit nice. R7. Everyone's starting to rev it, guys.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.